Hey guys, this is Dr. Tim, and these are Shin Box or 90-90 Get Ups. So we're going to set up on the ground in a Shin Box position. You don't quite have to be 90 degrees at the knees. It's a little bit more challenging, so it's a little easier just to bring that foot in a little bit more. All we're going to do is try to lift up so that we're resting on this knee and the shin. So press up and down. So this movement should be initiated by your glutes, in my case my right glute. So that's what's pushing and driving me up and forward. And then the down portion of this drill is also extremely important. We don't just want to collapse down or kind of round through our low back as we drop. Kind of feel like you're loading into that hip and drive it back as you slowly lower. Back up and lower and load into that hip.